Tobu Skytree line. So I have to take this way, second floor. So then I will reach close to Skytree. So instead of 1400 meters, because I have Suka pass. So I have purchased Suka bus because I want to travel in Tokyo Metro. So it is easier. You need to buy tickets every time to this train. So this is going to Skytree, Tokyo Skytree. This is platform number 1. So you can see clearly platform number 1 for Tokyo Skytree, Ikifune, Chita Senju, Kasukabe. So this is a train I have to take. So I have to take that. Second, you can see. So even second platform also goes to Tokyo Skytree. So I think this is a terminal station, so that's why all trains goes to Tokyo Skytree. So I have boarded a Tokyo Skytree metro line, which is TS. So train is full, metro train. So you can see another train also. So that is a Limited Express. Is going to Tokyo Skytree. So this is a neighborhood close to Tokyo Skytree. So they can watch Tokyo Skytree every day from their balconies. Lucky people, because this is very important monument or in Tokyo City. See, everyone is going to Skytree, even though it is full raining outside. So because it is very important. This train, I got on this one train. So I have to again take this train, go back to Asakusa. From Asakusa, I have to take another train, go to Uno, and from Uno, I have to take Yamanote line and go to like Shinjuku or Ginza, wherever I want to go, or Ikebukuro, or Akihabara. So they're all heart of Tokyo Center. There are another very big supermarket while going to Tokyo Skytree. So you can see it is glittering like anything. So it's a big supermarket, especially Kitano Ace is a supermarket name. I have to go to 4th floor to buy tickets. So there are two types of tickets. One is for 350 meters. You can use Skytree from 350 meters. Another one is 450 meters. And there is a fast track for international visitors. And there are also slow one. So based on our affordability, so we have to take tickets. So I am going to 4th floor now. So hopefully I can view Tokyo in night times. But if I stay too long here, so I can't visit other places like Ginza and Shinjuku, which are very important. So 4th floor, where is there? Going up? Yeah. Thank you. Arigato. So you speak Japanese, right? Japanese?
Japanese.
Arigato. Okay. Yeah. This is the Skytree, famous Tokyo Skytree. I didn't realize that I am there behind that Skytree. So I was just walking and suddenly I have found it. So now I will take a ticket to go to observation deck. Sorry. You can see this Tokyo Skytree. I think it is a communication center. So you can see Tokyo Skytree West entrance. I have to buy tickets. So observation deck, ticket counter. So everything. I am running late by 2 hours. I came to Skytree by paying 2,500 yen. That means almost like 1,200 rupees. But very bad thing is I can't see anything. It is completely gloomy. If it is not gloomy. So we can like this. We can see Haneda Airport, Toyosu. So everything like Ginza, Shinjuku. So it's a gallery. 350 meters one gallery. So 445 meters, 450 meters. So it is just a waste of money. So there was zero visibility. So they told before going upstairs, like 350 meters. But so there was no option. There is no option. So I had to go and just check. So it is, yeah, really waste of money. So now I have to catch metro train. So then go to Ginza or Shinjuku. Just spend there. Just go out, exit, take exit, and see the buildings. And so how it looks there, because they are very famous in Tokyo. So you can see pink color Tokyo Skytree station, left side, second floor. So I have to follow that. So this is the market, supermarket. So it looks beautiful, very bright and beautiful, with lots of customers. So this is Tokyo City. You can enjoy experience. So this pink color you can see. So Tokyo Skytree station, straight, second floor. 2F means second floor. So I have to go really quick because I am running out of time. So I can now take right side. You can see 2F right, pink. So it is clearly written, displayed. So this is the route I took while coming here. So I have to take left here, go straight, and again then right there. I don't know why they have put from the supermarket. They could have directly put a direct entrance. It is waste of time and it is waste of energy. So right, very right. Okay, let me check. I think I have to take this escalator. I had to take this escalator. So you can see for Asakusa, right side, track number 1. Left side is for Kita, Sanju, Shin, Kushiyaga, Kushigaya, Kasu, Kabe. But I have to go to Asakusa. So Asakusa is just 2 stops from here. So sometimes I might miss train in a minute. But again, I have to wait for another train. So Asakusa is right. Platform number 1. See, I think it is outside. So I have to just go from here and reach the platform. So train coming. I have to go to Asakusa. From Asakusa, I have to take Ginza line, and I have to go to another station and take Yamanote line to go to Ginza. So this train is empty because now it is going to city center. All people are going from city center to outskirts suburbs. So this side is almost like empty train. Asakusa. There's only 2 stops from here. So I have just came out of Tokyo Skytree train. So now I go to this train. I have to take Ginza line and go to Shibuya to go to Shinjuku by Yamanote line. So Shinjuku is world's busiest train station. So world's busiest. Let me check and see how it looks. So you can see GT Tokyo Metro Ginza line. So I have to take this line, Ginza line. So I just put my IC card like this, and doors are open. So I take this because I have to go to Shibuya. So from Shibuya I can take Yamanote line to go to Ginza. Sorry, Shinjuku. This is Ginza line. I am going to Shibuya. So by using this line, so Shibuya is my next stop. If possible, if any good connectivity is there to Shinjuku, I will get down there and see, because I will get announcements regularly in this line. So they mention